Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is an important essay, The Rule of the Road, written by A.G. Gardner. It is passage number 4 of this important essay, page number 143. Please listen carefully. In all these and 1,000 other details, you and I please ourselves and ask no one's leave. A.G. Gardner says that there are so many activities, there are so many personal affairs, personal interests, personal ends, personal actions, where we are masters, which we can perform with our free will. We don't need anyone's permission. We have a whole kingdom. We have a whole area. We have a vast area. We have a vast arena in which we rule alone, where we are rulers, where we are not bound anyone else's status, where we can enjoy freely, where we can fulfill our actions or wishes, where we can perform what we choose, what we select. Be wise or comical, whether we select wise actions or ridiculous. Ridiculous means funny or comical, harsh, hard, or easy. Conventional means traditional, or odd means strange. Whether we select wise actions or funny actions, hard, strange, or easy, or traditional actions, or any strange actions, we can do them. We don't need anyone's permission. Nobody can object us. We have full freedom. It is our personal right in a free country. But directly we step out of that kingdom. But when we directly cross the boundaries of our personal liberty of action is restricted by other people's liberty. Then our personal liberty of action is restricted. Then it is stopped, it is limited. We are having personal liberty, but our personal liberty has some limits when it interferes with other people's liberty, when it disturbs other people's liberty or senators other people's liberty. A.G. Gardner explains us as under. I might like to practice on the trombone. Trombone is a musical instrument from midnight till 3 in the morning. If I went on to the top of Hellulandus to do it, A.G. Gardner says, I could please myself. A.G. Gardner says that as a citizen of a free country, if I like to play trombone from midnight till 3 o'clock, I can do it because it is my personal right as a free citizen. If I went on to the top of the Hellulandus is a mountain peak in Wales to do. If I want to play trombone from midnight to till 3 o'clock in the morning, I can do it. If I want to play it on the top of a mountain, particularly Hellulandus, which is away from human habitation, away from hustle and bustle of human activities, which is a desolate place. I can please myself, I can entertain myself. I can do it. I am at liberty because in doing so, in playing trombone at a desolate place like Holiness, I am not enslaving anyone's liberty. I am not interfering in anyone's liberty because there is no human habitation. But if I do it out in the streets, but if I, as a citizen of a free country, like to play trombone in streets, the neighbors will remind me. The neighbors will object. They will stop me. They will stop me. They will protest. They will remind me that my liberty to blow the trombone interferes with their liberty to sleep in quiet. They will object me. They will remind me that, oh, Mr. Gardner, though you are having liberty to play trombone during night, but we too are having liberty to sleep in quiet. Thus, your liberty to play trombone during night interferes our liberty to sleep in quiet. By enjoying your liberty, you are snatching our liberty. So, personal liberty is having limits. There are a lot of people in the world, and I have to accommodate my liberty to the liberty, my liberty to their liberties. Gardner says that I could please myself. There are a lot of people in the world, and I have to accommodate my liberty to their liberties. He says that one has to accommodate one's own liberty to the liberties of others. If one man has liberty to flourish his sword in the air, the other person also has his liberty that his nose is not cut. A.G. Gardner tells us that, oh, citizens of a free country, oh, individual of a free country, your freedom stops when your nose begins. You can perform your actions. You are free to perform actions until and unless your actions would not disturb anyone else. So personal liberty is having certain limitations. Thanks. Stay blessed.